To get started, you'll need to add a port. To add a port, click Add a port on the bottom of your screen. A port is the entry point into your router. It's where you deposit your funds onto the platform. Your port can represent your salary, freelance income, etc. I'll name my port salary. You can also change the emojis. Now a port has been created. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see a panel appear. This panel, which you can access at any time by clicking on the port itself, shows all the information about the port you just created. You have the name of the port, the account number, and the routing number sequence generates. With this information, you can give it to your employer or to your clients so your funds can be directly deposited into your port. But you can also direct your income into your port 3 other ways. First, you can generate a direct deposit form, which will provide you with a void check containing all the necessary information. The second way is to connect your paycheck from within Sequence. And the third way is by doing a one-time deposit into your port. Once you create your port, it'll appear on your map. You can add multiple ports if you have multiple streams of revenue. For example, you can add your salary and then another port for the income from your apartment rental. So now that we have our port, it's time to add an account.